Okay, I got a quick video. I replaced the AC hose on the Chevy converter. What I did first, pulled the bumper cover off. You got the screw over in the wheel well. A couple down on each side at the bottom. And after you get them out, you take the screws off the bumper. They go upward toward the bumper. I think they 7 millimeters. Take them out. Then when I got the bumper cover off, I screws at the top also in the push clip. I took the lip brace, upper radiator support brace off. It sits 10 millimeter. You got 4 at the top and 1 here, and 1 at the bottom. And after that, take the lip push clip off that hold the lip flap on. You can get to your 13 millimeters there for the removal. See, I got the new hose already in for the connecting now. But yeah, I went down at the bottom. You can see the hose right through there, but back here, I just wrap my arm around, and so see how I was able to get the bolt out, or you can get it from top with a swivel socket. Also, it's a 13 millimeter. I got that out, then I pull the line out, maneuver it out through the top, through this gap here. Just moved it around, and it came right out. Replace the sensor, put it back in through the same way. I got my bolt started from up top here. You can see it like halfway in, right by the oil filter. So I just need to tighten that one up and put this one on and tighten it up also. And that's pretty much it. They replaced the bumper cover and everything.